6. Hi there. Welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. Wanna join me for a game of Ludo? It's fun, isn't it? Ludo is one game that I'm sure every Indian household has it, and all of us would have played it multiple times, and every time we play it, we enjoy it thoroughly. It's such a simple time pass that wherever you are, whenever you want to play, you have nothing else to do. You're on a holiday, on vacation, or just want to do time pass. You just take the game out, lay out the board, get 4 people, put the coins, roll the dice, and you're in the business of enjoying a fun game of Ludo. So this Diwali, we thought we'll do something different. We thought we'll do Ludo, but it was not the game Ludo. We did the movie Ludo on Netflix. And here's my review of the movie Ludo on Netflix.
ओ बेटा जी, अरे ओ बाबूजी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी, किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम, कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम, कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम। ओ बेटा जी।
So the movie Ludo is pretty much like the game of Ludo. It has these 4 different stories representing 4 different colors of the game, and how these stories, as they move along, get interconnected and cross each other's paths, makes an interesting plotline of the movie. The movie is so well done that each of these 4 stories represent a color, and the color scheme is reflected in everything that happens when those characters are on the screen. The backdrop that is used, the clothes that they wear, the lighting that is used clearly resembles the color that that particular story represents. Very nicely done. So let's talk about these 4 stories and the 4 colors. Let's start with green. It's represented by Rajkumar Rao and Fatima Sana Sheikh. And what's their story? Well, Rajkumar Rao plays this crazy character who is a big Mithun fan and is madly, crazily in love with Fatima Sana Sheikh. Unfortunately, he doesn't get to marry her, she marries someone else. But that does not stop him from being besotted to her. He has this interesting name called Alu and runs a restaurant, and ends up helping Fatima Sana Sheikh when her husband gets caught in a murder conspiracy and is jailed. And they, all the interesting twists and turns that happens with their story. Yellow is represented by Aditya Roy Kapoor and Sania Malhotra. And what's their story? Well, Sania Malhotra is hunting for a groom through a matrimony site, and she meets multiple people, one of them being Aditya Roy Kapoor, who's shown on this ventriloquist who basically engages and regales audience in a pub. They end up spending the night together, which leads to problem later because the sex video gets leaked and it becomes viral. And now they're crazily trying to run and get it erased because Sania Malhotra is going to get married shortly to a rich guy and doesn't want him to know about this video. So that's, the interesting twists and turns with their story becomes yellow color. The color red is represented by Abhishek Bachchan. He's shown as this right-hand man to a underworld guy, underworld don, a local don, who basically extorts money from local businesses. And he's into this crime life where he basically helps him get all that money. Some point, he wants to reform himself, wants to give up all this and settle down after getting married, and they have a very young daughter. But obviously the Don doesn't like it, so he tips off the police, gets him arrested, and he goes to jail for 6 years. And by the time he comes back, he finds his family life broken because the wife and the daughter have started living with someone else. So he has this revenge, and anger in him, which represents red color. Blue is represented by Rohit Saraf and Pearl Mani. Rohit Saraf is this guy who's an ordinary salesman working in a large departmental store, and he's constantly abused by his manager for his inefficiency and not being good at his work. He wants to get rich, get away from this life, and is really going through bad times. Pearl Mani is shown as a Malayali nurse in a hospital. She knows only Malayalam, doesn't understand English, doesn't understand Hindi, so her co-nurses always tease her and pull her leg and harass her. She also wants to get rich, she wants to get away from this life of nurse and live a comfortable life. And both these people happen to come together, get hold of a bag full of money which belongs to the Don, and now they are being chased by Don's people and as they're trying to escape and take away all this money. So that's the interesting part of their story. And all of this is somehow interconnected to the character of Don, played by none other than Pankaj Tripathi, and he's fun, as always. Whenever he's on the screen, you always have a smile on your face because the way he expresses himself, the way he talks, and the way he engages you is fun always. Typical Pankaj Tripathi. Overall, a nice breezy movie. Does have its moments of laughter and sensitive moments, particularly in the Abhishek Bachchan track when he's trying to help a young girl get closer to her parents through this interesting kidnapping plot that the girl plans herself after having watched a CID episode. There are definitely moments where you feel a little stretched. I think some parts of the story look a little stretched. I think they could have edited it better, but it's all the same, it's a good movie. Overall, I would recommend. It's a fun watch. The climax could have been a little better. It is not as much as a laugh riot as I was hoping it to be, but still, I'm sure you'll enjoy the movie. So go ahead and check it out. Thank you for watching my reviews. Thank you for subscribing my channel and sharing your feedback. If you like my reviews, please share it with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe my channel. I look forward to bringing more reviews to you. Enjoy your Diwali. Have fun. Stay safe. Till next time, bye-bye.